Okay, so hello guys. So, to, Today I am going to draw a Bitcoin. It is a virtual Bitcoin, so do not take this of any seriousness. So of course we import turtle. So coin equals turtle dot pair coin dot color gold. Uh, so yeah, but not color, but rather fill color. Yeah, let's add in turtle dot uh so def so all this. Oh yes, import turtle math as well because we are going to use a function because you are going to use a function to draw an oval a b x sensor y sensor uh r uh r fraction oval. By arrange fraction oval. By default, it should be 64, so we're going to put it in 64. So, coin dot actually coin dot up coin dot go to actually a x equals math dot cos I think I divided by 10 y equals a times r times math dot sine I divided by 10 coin dot go to x plus x center y plus y center so over coin dot begin fill let's change this actually x sensor equals 0 y sensor equals 0 fraction over equals oval 1 0.500. Okay. Uh uh yes. Coin dot down. Oh, B times R. Uh coin dot end fill. Uh so let's do it again. But then oval coin dot begin fill. Coin dot go to uh minus 100 not wait 100 minus 30 coin dot the coin oval 1 0.5 actually negative 0.5 100 0 fraction oval will be 32 uh coin dot go to 500 0 no negative 30 actually so that's done coin dot end fill and now let's run this again so also wait coin dot speed 0. Okay, so now that's done. Now coin the uh, huff. So now coin dot color 1 0.9 0 0. Not color but fill color. That's good. Now we've done the main coin. Now it's time to add the B and the details. Uh, so how do we do that? Details. So coin dot color yellow. Coin dot width 10. Coin dot 2 minus 30 0. Coin dot forward 30. Coin dot back 60. That's incorrect. Coin dot up, coin dot down, coin dot right, 90. Uh-huh. Coin dot left. Coin dot left, 90. This code might be hard for you to take in. So so I should split it up for you. Uh, fill, uh, so coin coin dot right, forward back left 90, coin dot forward uh back 5, not 4 5. Sure, no. Coin dot forward 50, coin dot circle 1 5 negative. Uh, actually, why is this 20? Coin dot circle what 15 negative 30. No, no, negative 50, negative 15 180. Coin dot forward 45. Coin dot back 45. Coin dot uh left 180. Coin dot circle minus 15 180. Coin dot forward 50. So now we have a B, but it's without the line, two lines in the middle. So let's draw the lines. Coin dot go to, actually up. Coin dot go to. So to go to that coordinate, coin dot go to 100 0. 100 no, not 100 0, but minus 10 0. Coin dot coin dot headed 90. Coin dot forward. Coin dot forward 30. Coin dot back 60. Actually, wait, what? Coin dot down. So now coin dot go to minus 30 0. Actually, not minus 30, but 10 0. Coin dot coin, coin dot up. No, coin dot up. Coin dot down. Coin dot forward. Coin dot back. So that should be done. Yes, not headed, set heading. My My error. That's bad. 0, 0, 40, 40. So let's check the original. Looks like it's 90. So 45, 90, 45, 90. So now this is terrible. Still terrible. How close were the original ones? Still terrible. 0, 15. As I was saying, coin dot. So let's so to draw the to draw the we have just done drawing the B with a two lines in the middle. The last thing we need to do now is to do the final details, the bumps. So coin dot color black. So coin dot up. Uh, control control close control control open brackets. Open square brackets. Uh, Quota up, not fraction over 32. X equals 100. 100 times 50. 50. Uh, uh, wait. X, Y minus 30. Point dot forward 30. Point dot back 30. 30 because the position is shifted 30 by is shifted by 30 pixels. Hmm. Uh, that's that is actually very bad. Koi dot width 1, and this should be negative 50. Uh, so we done. Uh, and then koi dot height turtle. So koi dot height turtle. And then the Bitcoin is done. So please subscribe, like, uh, give a like. We have just got 49 subscribers. Just one more to that 50 subscriber milestone. That is it for this video. And happy Easter.